Hey everyone, it's Gina V. Now get your boot scoot and boots on. We're about to get into a fast boosted country walk. There's going to be a warm up and a cool down, so it's a full workout ready for you to go. Now don't forget, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. And of course, follow me on Instagram on the daily at UpToTheBeatFit, and all our social handles are below here. But for now, yeehaw, and let's get going. All right, guys, so this is a full workout here. We're gonna start off with a warm-up, then we're gonna speed things up, and then we're gonna bring things down for the cool down. So just start off nice and easy with a walk here. This is all about country flavor beats, all right, guys? So I want you to get into the character of it, groove along with me. If I say a few yeehaws, I want you guys to too. All right, guys, let's start off with a nice easy walk. Take a deep breath in. And out. Just give your bodies a nice good stretch up. And out, that's it. Give me one more. And out. And up. And walk it forward. That's it, just nice and easy here, okay? Not full energy, because don't worry, you're gonna have plenty of time to progress. That's it. Even leaving your arms nice and relaxed. All right, let's take it here. Take it, tap it out, tap to the side, that's it. And just a nice, easy, relaxed arm. Keeping your shoulders nice and relaxed as well. That's it. Good job, guys. All right, now reach it out. Reach it out. Stretch those sides. All right, take it up. Now start to reach it up. And as soon as we start to do that, we start to increase that heart rate. Get that body nice and warmed up. So guys, you will be breaking a sweat very soon. All right, walk it forward. Walk, walk, walk. That's it, nice and easy. Now give me a few heel digs. That's it. All right, take it forward. And take it back. And heel digs. That's it. All right, walk it on the floor. Walk it on the floor. Here we go. That's it. Bring those knees up. All right, guys, big breath in. Here we go. Stretch it up. And out we go. Big breath in and out. Now hold it there, side to side. We're gonna do little shoulder presses, chest press and shoulder press up. Take it up, reach it up. That's it. So we're just warming up the upper body as well, because you guys know it, that I love to involve as much as I can of our upper body in our walks. All right, let's take it to a forward walk. Here we go. That's it. Now back to those heel digs. Just have fun with that groove. And take it forward. Take it back. And Sweet Home Alabama. All right. Now this Aussie does not know how to do a good American accent. I hope you guys are helping me out. All my US friends. Take it forward. Take it back. All right, here we go. And let's do some heel digs. Heel digs. Let's start to ignite our hamstrings here by pulling back, igniting the fire in our quads as well. That's it. All right, so we're lifting that intensity a little bit more, right? Take a knee up, take a knee up, knee up. That's it. Keep it going. Now we're gonna go single, single, double. That's it. Single, single, double. Stay here. Single, single, double. You got it. Come on, bring it up. Can you feel your body getting warmer? You're gonna be ready for the workout. Don't worry, guys, because we're gonna take it fast after this. All right, walk it forward. Take it back. Heel dig. Woo! You got it. Take it forward. And take it back. That's it. All summer long. Come on. Forward. Let's go. Take it back. And heel dig. Heel dig. All right, guys. Now for all those people that don't like working out, sing along with me. Tell me how quick this workout goes. Walk forward. Take it back. Because that's what we're all about here at Up to the Beat. I'm all about making that workout fly. You're not going to be looking at your clock. All right, take it forward. All right, take it to the side. Walk it out. Walk, walk, walk. Take it side. side. Here we go. Walk, walk, walk. And side, side. Walk, walk, walk. And side, side. Now we're gonna do that same walk to the side, and we're gonna lift and do our kickbacks. All right, you're gonna hear that music rise in intensity. I told you that warm-up was quick. Are you ready? All right, now let's go. Single, single, double. All right, into our boosted walk, guys. Come on, take it back. That's it. Let's go. All right, we're gonna grapevine it. Here we go. Grapevine and heels, heels, heels. Grapevine. That's it. Okay, lots of energy now. Right into that workout. Warm up is over. So give me your energy. Let's go. Come on, push it out, push it out, push it out. That's it. Let's go, let's go. Dig it up, dig it up. That's it. Are you ready? Come on, that don't impress me much. Take it back. Okay, actually, it does impress me that you are working out with me today. So let's not pay attention to the words. Just change it to, you do impress me. All right, take it to a sidewalk. And grapevine again. That's it. Heel digs. Reach it up. Lots of energy. Come on, come on. Keep it going. Give me 4, 4. Give me 3. Come on. Just 2 more here. Woo! That's it. All right, guys. Are you ready? Let's go. Walk, walk, walk. Take it back. Come on, push it up. All right. Let's go. Yeehaw. That's it. All right. And take it to the side we go. And push it up. Push it up. Get those arms working for you. That's it. Come on. Push. Push. All right. Push. Now we're going to go V-step. V-step. That's it. So V-steps because we make the letter V here. Out, out, back, back. Out, out, back, back. That's it. Add those hips in. 4, 3, 2, 1. And again. 4. Are you guys having fun? Come on. Work it out. Let's go, let's go. Push it out now. Let's add those arms. That's it. Come on. You got the energy. I know you do. You just needed a little motivating from me today. All right. To the side we go. Now let's push our arms out. 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 Oh yeah. Working those back muscles. Working those shoulders. All right. And let's go. Knee up. Knee up. Knee up. Knee up. That's it. Come on. Push it out. Push it out. You got this. Smash it through today. Okay. All right. Walk it forward. Take it back. Now side, side, side. And push it out. Push it out. Side, side, side. Push it out. Push it out. Let's walk. And hold it there. Go, go, go. All right, everybody. I'm giving you a little breather, but we're going to go right back into it. Are you ready? Here we go. In 5, 6, 7. Let's walk it forward. Go. Push it out. Now remember, guys, I always have to remind you, you can walk on the spot if you need to. Alrighty? You do not need to travel, but if you do, like me, side together side, okay, you will increase your intensity rate of this workout. You're gonna put more energy into it. I want you to be dancing around in your living rooms. Walk it forward. Come on, take it back. Woo! Powering through this one. That's it. Short workouts, faster speed, burns more. That's it. That's all you need to think about. We're boosting that metabolism. Are you ready, guys? Another favorite. Who likes Dolly Parton? I do. All right. Let's go. Let's go. This is an awesome song. Walk, walk, walk. All right. We're going to use my favorite step. I'm sure you've seen this in my workouts. We're going to use that cha-cha-cha. All right. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Rock it forward. 1, 2, 3. But we're going to go straight into the diagonal one. That's it. So one of each. One, other leg. Now open it out. Out we go. And again. That's it. Beautiful. Rock those hips. Out we go. And again. You guys are doing so well at home. I know you are. All right, and again. Keep it going. That's it. Now, I want you guys all to put on a smile. Okay, because sometimes we get so focused on all the things we need to do. Walk forward. All you need to do is walk. That's it. And smile. Okay? Because as soon as we put that smile on our dial, do you like that? We instantly feel energized and feel happy about what we're doing. Walk it forward. 1, 2, 3. Now, out we go. Rock it out. So right back into that dance move. Out we go. That's it. And again. Add those hips. Come on. Reach it out. Add those arms. Now, if this is too hard for you, this is an alternative. You can walk, close. That's it. Out we go. You can make any modification like this, or add that intensity by adding that triple step. This is your workout. Do what feels good for you. Are you ready to walk? Walk, walk, walk. Take it back. Come on. That's it. Sail away with me. Sail away with me. That's it. Come on. We're going to rely on each other to keep each other motivated. Up, up, 2, 2. That's it. Come on. Knee into chest. Let's go. That's it. Beautiful work, everybody. All right. Walk it up. Come on. Take it back. That's it. Now let's add some arms if you want to. We're going to push it out. Push it out. Push it up. Push it out. That's it. Take it to the side. And out we go. Out we go. Woo! Powering through. I am working up a sweat in here. That's it. And forward we go. Forward. 1, 2, 3. Now what you guys don't know is I have the aircon in here, but I am boiling with the aircon. So can you imagine how sweaty of a workout this is? All right. Rock it forward. Take it out. That's it. 1. Take it down. Out we go. 1. 1, 2, 3. Keep it going, guys. You don't have to think now. You know what move is coming. That's all. Take the thought out of it. Just rock the groove. That's it. All right. Walk, walk, walk. Let's go. Push it up. Take it out. Push it up. Take it out. That's it. Sail away with me. Come on. Up we go and out. Change those arms to single. All right. To the side. Come on. Push it out and up. That's it. Add a little bit of an extra intensity. Arm work there. That's it. Go, go, go. All right. Walk, walk, walk. Go, 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 go. Are you ready to move it forward and backwards? Let's go. In, out we go. Take it back. And come on. Rely on me to get you moving today. All right, guys. We're going to come into a change of pace soon. So I want you to push it to the end before we start the cool down. Come on. Go, 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 go. Side, side, side. Here we go. Can you hear that pace change? How good does that feel? To know that you only have a cool down left. That's it. All right. Take it side. Now we have to keep moving. I never like to finish a workout, stand still and stretch. I like to get down gradually, bring that heart rate down gradually, okay? Really important. All right, take it arm across. Shoulder down, away from your ears. Pull that arm into your chest. Beautiful. You had some good arm work there, so these are gonna need to be stretched out. Keep moving, just side taps together. That's it, other side. Ooh. How good does that feel? You are nearly done. Or should I say, are you a bit sad because it's over and you were just getting into it? And take it out. And big breath in, walking on the spot. Exhale. Whew. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Out we go. Gotta chuck in a bit of Taylor Swift. Now walk it forward. Just a nice easy pace. All right, now I want you to bring your arms up and out. Now as you bring them up, you inhale and exhale. That's it. And take it to the side. All right. And just cruise it on out. Now, before you start thinking about anything, just walking here on the spot, don't think about the laundry. Don't think about what's next. Be present here and give yourselves a good stretch. Take it up. We're gonna stretch those triceps. So you're just gonna tap your hand to the back, the middle of your back as much as you can, and just a gentle press on that elbow, just to give it a good side stretch there. Other side, that's it. Now I'm gonna not talk here for a little bit, so that way you can fully enjoy the music. All right, guys, that was as long as I can not talk for. Walk it forward and take it back. Remember that inhale, exhale, big breath in and out, and inhale and out. Beautiful, everybody. And side we go. And take it out, out we go. And out, and out. That's it. So you should be feeling like you're returning back to normal with that heart rate. And let's stretch out those legs. I want you to pull that toe facing towards your body, and just all the weight is in this standing leg. Hands just nicely just resting here on that quad. And take it up. Other side. That's it. Beautiful. Now, especially after all that walking, you really need to give these calf muscles and those hamstrings, so the back side of your leg, a really good stretch. And walk it forward. And just a little tap. And tap. And tap. That's it. All right, guys. Let's pick those arms back and inhale, exhale. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Up we go. Take it down. And up we go. Down we go. Right after this, we're gonna take it into a good deep quad stretch. That's it, stretching the front of our legs. And now take your arm out. Now again, you can lean against something. Perhaps you're doing this workout with a friend. Maybe you guys hold hands. Perhaps you wanna just lean against a wall or grab a chair, whatever works for you. And let's take it to the other side. Hand out. It always helps to focus on one point. Either it's on the floor, or it's on the wall, or you're looking at some object specifically in front of you to help you balance, but also pulling in that core, really crucial here. And remember, keep that knee in and your hips square. Ooh, yes. My legs need that stretch. All right, take it down, big breath in, and walk it out. Now walk it forward, just a gentle walk. That's it, before we come back to being still, so that you are ready for your day ahead. That's it. One more. Now hold it there. Big breath in, final breath. And out. And you made it. You guys smashed that. I absolutely loved having so much fun with you. Thanks for joining me. I hope you had a lot of toe tapping fun along the way on that one. Now don't forget, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to connect with me and my tribe so we can help support and encourage you on your journey, don't forget to check out all the links below in the description. So guys, I'll catch you for another workout another day. Bye for now.